2004 Jeep Wrangler Sport 4x4 here at Unique, especially in classics. As you can see, some custom accessories on this we'll get to in just a bit. First off, underneath the hood, tried and true 4.0 liter inline 6-cylinder automatic transmission with overdrive in this one. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. You can see custom bumper, some tow hooks, 13,000 pound winch with a remote, some custom lighting. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pics. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. If you're watching this video on YouTube, just click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. You'll be able to see the pics that way. Get a good look at those Wrangler radials. A little bit of corrosion on the hood. Paint has a nice shine to it. Some custom decals, which are vinyl. If you wanted to take them off, they'd come off easily. Same with this rack and or kind of the roll cage, I guess, if you will. That would unbolt easily too. If you didn't want it on there or wanted to take it off, either way, hard top included with this one. A little over $159,000. We'll take a little closer look at the interior here in just a bit. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll be able to see the underside. Interior, engine bay, rear mounted spare. Again, more tow hooks, receiver package on the rear. If you like Jeeps, maybe just 4x4s in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online or right off our showroom floor. Technicians did note brakes in this one, 70% or better at all four corners. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels look good. Seating surfaces are cloth. Haven't seen any major rips, tears, holes in those. Looks like we have the sound bar, stereo above there. And you'll be able to see the interior and all the still pictures also. Stick around to the very end of this video. I'll have Jason take it for a drive. We're going to start it up though. Let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. There's exact miles, 159,037. And again, that tried and true inline 6 4-liter. Very reliable, torquey engine. Dash looks good. Have AM, FM, CD. I mentioned the remote for the winch up here in the visor. And gauges, battery gauge, fuel gauge, tach working. That was a cold start, so I'm going to expect temp to be up, oil pressure. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. No warning lights. See, this sounds just like any 4-liter I've heard. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I want to get this hood popped so we get a peek underneath that before Jason takes it for a drive. So let me pause this, get that hood open, we'll go from there. Alright, give you a good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. Sounds and looks like it runs pretty smooth, no doubt about that. Remember, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. This one's ready to go. 2004 Jeep Wrangler Sport 4x4. Some custom accessories. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2004 Jeep Wrangler. Ready to do a little off-road action with the winch and the nice new bumper up front. Roll cage around it. This is an automatic on the floor, so it's easy to drive for anybody. A lever next to that for four-wheel high and low, and too high, which we're in too high right now. Responsive throttle, good performance out of this engine for such a small vehicle such as this Jeep. Cruise control working as it should. Wipers also functioning. The AC blows cold. Stereo sounds good. Our battery gauge is showing 14 volts. The fuel gauge is almost 3/4 of a tank. Oil pressure is a little over half on the gauge. The temperature is reading about 200. That may be reading a little high. Tachometer working as it should. Comfortable cloth bucket seats in this Jeep. Brakes are working well. That firm Jeep suspension keeps it flat in the corners. Very fun Jeep. We got room for people in the back, ready to go off-road. Check out all the pictures and learn more about this Jeep Wrangler at uniqueclassiccars.com.